Hello everybody, Mark here from LeBlanc Tech Services. Today we are going to find and install HBO Max. So we're just going to go to find, search, there it is. So the main reason you want HBO Max versus HBO anywhere else, whether it is through another streaming TV provider or Prime Video, is because they give you content that you don't get from the other places without charging you any more money. It's all $15. So I paid for HBO through Amazon, and I still do, but I use the HBO Max app. So there's a way to actually use the subscription that you already paid for through HBO. So for some reason I can never get restore purchases to work. This is what happens. So I go to sign in. You are going to want to open up any web browser and go to the address above the code. If you like this video or you find it helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe. If you did not like this video, please also hit that like button and subscribe and tell me what you didn't like or what I can improve on in the comments. We're going to sign in with a provider. We are going to scroll down and find Prime Video channels. I originally tried this on my cell phone, and for some reason the code wouldn't work. It's just as easy on the computer.